Have you ever wanted to control your dreams? To fly over cities, dine with celebrities, or perhaps confront your deepest fears in the safety of your subconscious? Welcome to the world of lucid dreaming, where the line between the conscious and unconscious mind blurs and you become the master of your own dreamscape. The first step towards lucid dreaming is understanding the concept of reality checks. Reality checks act as a compass, helping distinguish between the waking world and the dream world. A simple reality check could be pinching yourself. In a dream, you wouldn't feel the pinch, unlike in the waking world. You could also try reading something. In dreams, text often appears blurry or nonsensical. Or look at your hands. In dreams, they might appear distorted or have an unusual number of fingers. Regularly performing these reality checks in your waking life can eventually carry over into your dream world, leading to that eureka moment of lucidity. Next, keeping a dream journal can be immensely helpful. A dream journal, a notebook, or a digital document kept by your bedside can help you capture those fleeting dream memories. Immediately upon waking, jot down every detail you remember from your dream. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns and recurring themes, which can make it easier to recognize when you're in a dream. Feeling adventurous, try the technique known as mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, or MILD. This involves setting an alarm for about 5 hours after you fall asleep. When the alarm goes off, wake up for a short while before returning to sleep. As you drift back into slumber, mentally repeat your intention to have a lucid dream. Visualize yourself becoming aware within a dream. Then, return to sleep with this intention firmly planted in your mind. Lastly, there's the wake-induced lucid dreaming technique, or WILD. This method involves keeping your mind awake while your body falls asleep. To achieve this, lie down in a comfortable position and relax. Concentrate on a single point of focus, like your breath or a visual image. Remember, lucid dreaming is a skill that requires practice, patience, and a sprinkle of determination. So don't feel disheartened if you don't achieve lucidity right away. Keep practicing these techniques, and soon enough, you'll be able to unlock the doors to your subconscious and experience the incredible world of lucid dreaming. Sweet dreams!